Oh guys, peace. PG here, Swordman Adventures. I'm here again, 4 a.m. Probably 4:30 now, after all loading this kayak up. I'm gonna try to buy these lights, guys, and see what I can get for you. Appreciate everybody watching me. Thanks a lot. All my new subscribers. And hopefully I get a good video for you today. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Like this video, share this video. And we'll see what happens today. Let's pop underneath here a little bit, guys. I'm moved. See if I can get anything. I can see him here. Good cast. Might get lucky for you guys. There's like 5 snook right there. But they just spook. That's crazy. Got one, guys. Got one. Got one. Finally. Got a snook for you guys. Oh, it's a redfish. It's a red. Get in there, redfish. Alright guys, got a red. Something bites. They're feeding underneath the dock some more. Alrighty. Almost ran out of juice here in my battery. But they're popping underneath the dock. Here we guys. Good redfish. Look at that. Haven't caught a red in a while. Down boy, down boy, down boy, down boy, down boy. I'm gonna let you go. All right, guys. Beautiful red. All right, brother. See ya. Go to the other side. You can see the sun starting to come up. Got something, guys. Finally. Got me a little something. Oh, oh. Got me a little trout. And the thing hit my treble hooks that was in my boat here and got me. Go there. I flipped him in the boat and he got off. And he hit my lures I had and laying on the bottom of the thing here. And this lure was laying down here. And it got me. All right, guys. Finally got me a trout. And he got me. All right, guys, see ya. Okay, guys, I've paddled across this whole bay. It took me like 10 minutes. Going to my little dock here with some lights and high tide. Usually it's not high tide. So we'll see what's here. Facing into the wind so it doesn't blow me around here. All right, you bookers. Got something, guys. Had something, guys. I still got them. Oh, shoot. Took me into the rocks. Right where I didn't want to go. Busted me off. Oh. Right where I didn't want to go, guys. Snapped me right off there. Dang it. Alright guys, I was just trolling. Caught me a little crazy trout. Threw the anchor out like normal, just in case. Little bitty old trout, guys. Cool. See ya. Hopefully the rain doesn't come, guys. Looks like it's trying to get me here. But these are chasing it. I can see them. Gotta be a bigger one around here somewhere. Hey guys, got another one. Gotta be mini trouts again. What better than nothing? Better than ladyfish. Oh, and he's off. You saw that. Yeah, there's the dinky ones around here. Again. Trying at different spots I haven't been before. Okay. Got one right by the boat, guys. Right by the boat, you saw that. Cool. Come here, you little bugger. Flip the bail here. All right. Get out there, I don't want to get a treble hook on me. Well, guys, got another one. Another trout. I know there's reds and stuff in here, tarpon. I'm trying to. Oh, down boy. Okay, say hello to the camera. Show you one tooth. Okay, guys. Nice little trout. Not big enough. Well, guys, look at. I don't see any lightning. There's a rainbow over here. It's raining to my right. But okay, guys, I'm hearing the thunder. Caught me a little trout trolling, and there he goes. I don't see no lightning, but I hear it's thunder. I shouldn't. Got a long ways to go to get back. Hopefully it goes around me. Hear the thunder, guys. I don't know which way the rain's going. Oh, you heard that. That's my clue to skidoo. Alright guys, I'm gonna troll on the way back. You can hear that. So hopefully the good Lord don't want to take me with a lightning bolt. Lord, forgive me for my sins. If I did anything wrong, I'm leaving. I'm leaving, don't worry. Alright guys, let's get the heck out of Dodge here. I'm gonna troll on the way out. The goofy storm looks like it wants to go around, but then it doesn't. It makes all the racket in Florida, then it doesn't go where you want to go. So it's longer. Rain's starting to come now. Anyways, guys, I caught a couple fish this morning. One redfish, a couple trout, one trout by the docks over here, and a couple ladyfish, of course, and a couple little bitty trout. And it's getting rainy now, so hopefully my car is way up there. Don't look that far, but it's far. So, hey guys, peace. God bless. Talk to you later. Silverman, out of here.